Alright guys, it's Mr. R700 here. Today we're going to do a little tutorial on fitting the Big Gun exhaust. These are the new Big Gun ballistic exhausts that I've got. They're only a few months old. This is my 23 plate Raptor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a quick start up so you guys can hear what the stock exhaust sounds like. This is actually going to be a two-part video, because I'm going to do the EFI install as well. I apologize for the planes going over. So let's give this a start up so you can hear the stock exhaust. Okay, so to remove the old exhaust, we've got a bolt there, a bolt there. That should be a 10mm. Comes down, heat shield. You've got a clamp here, follows all the way around, and then you've got two bolts for the header. One at the top there and another one at the bottom. Okay, we're gonna unbox this. Well, you know. Alright, we've got our EFI here. So this is the Big Gun EFI. The EFI is tiny, similar size to a credit card. Alright, two connectors and the earth. Comes with a sticker, 3 cable ties, sticky back pad I guess to hold it down, and some instructions. Okay, we'll go through that later. So this is the Big Gun Ballistic Series exhaust. I've got dual exhaust. Right, comes with a couple of fittings. Alright, so let's tear this bike apart and get this fitted on. Alright guys, finally stripped down the bike. Long process if you haven't done it before. Finding all the bits and pieces, making sure you don't break anything. So with regards to the EFI, this connector is going to go right here where that connector is. Don't know if you can see it clearly on the camera, but there's a grey connector here. So this connector will sit there, and the original one will plug into the black one. The negative wire, it says in the instructions, or the ground wire should go to the negative side of the battery, and then wire up through and sit back. But I'll figure out where I'll wire it so there's no stress on the cables. I'll probably wire it upside down, but yeah, that's how it's gonna sit. So let's get on with this. Alright, make sure you push it in firmly until you hear it snap into place. There, you'll hear a snap. And you know what? Let me put this underneath. Yeah, make sure you put it underneath beforehand. I mean, it probably wasn't really necessary for me to take everything off the bike like this, but it's a learning experience. I might need a longer bolt, not too sure. Make sure the wires are routed so there's no stress on them. So this video will be the EFI install. While I'm on the subject, shout out to the girls at Quad Bikes R Us in Essex that sold me this bike and the EFI and the exhaust system. Gave me a very good price on it all, so shout them out. I'll put a link in the description. that's going to be it for this video. Try to keep it nice and simple to show the routing. So EFI box routed along where the OEM cables go through, the ground goes to the battery terminal, throttle body cable sits just underneath the fuel tank right here. The OEM connector will connect to the other side of the connector coming from the EFI. Yeah, just make sure you give it enough slack just in case there's any stress on it. And I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. Next video is gonna consist of me doing the dual exhaust system and then checking out the programming for the EFI. So if you like this video, found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. See you on the next one.